It's not much. We're just trying to sneak into the next. Again.
The Great Mission Part 2!
Get this out. I was in it. It's a movie. You weren't in it. I showed you like.
This is the Great Mission Part 2. That's what it is.
Smallest bit of it.
Shut up!
Is she coming away? No. No, she is, and you have to go down here. Oh, okay. Mango. What does mango want? Over there.
Gossip Girls.
Hi. Hey, got poison? Bye! So, plan. Man. Let's go! I'm still doing this video. What do you think? Plan! Plan. What's a plan? Cancel it right there. This isn't good. Keep it down. Change the camera angle, dude. First, let me get out of mother.